Hey everyone, welcome to Global Adventurers. Today we're going to scuba dive in Monterey Bay in California. Here we are at Breakwater Cove. Check out that beautiful Pacific Ocean, nice and calm. Alright, I got my gear. I'm ready to go. Let's go up, get Dive Master James. If you come here to Breakwater Cove, you can park up. There's plenty of parking. You can gear up and take the short walk down to the beach. Off to the right there you see several buildings. There's restaurants, there's dive shops, there's a bathroom, public bathroom with showers. If you can walk out to the end of the pier there, there's sea lions, seals, there's folks fishing off the pier there. This is just a great place to come down with your family, hang out for the day. There's a grassy area. Even if you're not scuba diving, just come down, hang out, watch the scuba divers, watch the wildlife. It's just a great place to be. Over to the left there you see, that's Pacific Grove, going down near Cannery Row, the famous Cannery Row. Check it out, we're the first ones on the beach. My footprints are the first ones for today. Here comes Dive Master James. He's going to give us the schedule for the day, what we're going to do, and I hope you really enjoy this dive. I'm going to play no music. I just want you to watch the scenery, enjoy the sounds of being underwater. Enjoy it. Alright, so here we are, we're just hanging out, getting acclimated to the water. Monterey Bay is pretty darn cold, so what you're going to want to do when you first get in is make sure that you acclimate. You know, get a little water in your suit unless you have a dry suit, and just let your body adjust to it. What you don't want to do is go down underneath the water gasping for air because it's 50-degree water. So you're going to be wearing a pretty thick wetsuit, but just bob around and acclimate before you go down. Alright, all ready to go. One final gauge check. Alright, put the regulator in, and I'm ready to head underwater.